Hi, TikTok. I'm just here to remind you guys that don't be like Twitter because they're so fucking rude. Like, fuck you, Twitter. Do you see this? I had an IV because I got my throat surgified. But still, do not be like Twitter. They're so fucking rude. Yesterday, I showed them a sim that I made on Sims 4, and they were fucking bitches. A bunch of bitches. Don't ever be like them, because they're so fucking rude. Yeah, Twitter, I hope you're watching this, bitch. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah. I hate you. I hate you, Twitter. Stupid.